Is the headset battery draining out when you're urgently going out home? Is the headset battery draining out after the use of 4 to 5 hours? We have a perfect solution for you. Introducing Mivi Collar Classic wireless neckband. Let's us first unbox and do a quick review. Imagine, how cool is that? Your Earset charge within 10 minutes. Yay, I said it correctly, it's 10 minutes. That's right. Let's find out. Its super fast charging, dual pairing capabilities, and feather lightweight will make this headphone stand out from others. At the price of $999, there are no competitors for this product. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. To see similar, animated, mind-blowing, fact-full reviews in the future. Let's talk a little bit about Mivi. Mivi is an Indian electronics brand that has been established in the year 2015. Mivi is an Indian company that designs accessories such as chargers and earphones. No more China products at this pandemic age. It's designed and made in India. Indian engineers around the country came together, spending hours to perfect the Collar Classic wireless neckband. It is wrapped with a transparent sheet, the box looks glazed surface and shiny. Let me tear it out. This particular product is blank in color, hence the box also comes with a black finish. You can see Mivi logo at the top, and it's glittering in the light. This headphone is marketed as having a deep bass, fast charging, and made in India. I have done a fast charging test and the results are updated in the later part of this video, so stay tuned. It comes in 6 beautiful colors, and we are here to unbox the Black Beast. You can check out my description box to buy this product. They have this headset is splash proof, which means it is IPX5. Means it can resist low pressure water jet spray, also can be used in the shower. The first thing that you notice is the build quality. It is extremely robust and lightweight. Very easy to carry. The packing is extremely good. It contains many kinds of stuff. What you're seeing is the welcome card and notes from the co-founders. The user manual is a detailed one. The zigzag folded paper give as much detailing by telling how to use the headphone. Hope you can see how to detail it is. I am not getting into it because it takes another long video to explain each of them. The plastic case comes with a nice groove that perfectly fit in the headphone. Nicely protected in the transit. There are 2 items kept in this bracket. One is a charging cable, a fast charging cable, per se. And the earbuds. These earbuds suit perfectly for any size. You can pluck and fit in for the right size of earbuds as per your ear sizes. Just see the weight, it's extremely lightweight. You don't feel on your shoulders while you wear it. There are multiple buttons that you can see here. One for answering and disconnecting the calls. Other for increasing and decreasing the volumes. Also, there are perfect labeling to see you are using right or left headphone. Now see the magnetic strips, they make the gadget stick with you while running. It won't fall off. It kind of like a gadget is hugging and loving you always. The quality of each earpiece is very good. It's nicely built. It will never break. Also, there is a Mivi engraved logo. This gives a premium look. Here is the battery charging test. You can see, 20% battery remaining at 11:36. Now let us wait for 10 minutes and see what is the percentage of charge in the battery. Now the time is 11:46, we are 10 minutes passed by. And see the charge, it's 70%. I am just using a normal charger. If you use a fast charger, then it should be 3 times faster for sure. Now let's look few of the snaps. Check the quality and build. It contains 50mm drivers, which give you a decent bass. One special thing I notice here is that bass is not irritating like other ear sets. You can use these ear sets for a longer time, it won't pain your ears. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.